If you want to create a simple informative website using Canva, watch this video until the end and I will share exactly how to do so. This is Hari, let's get into it. Go to Canva and search for website. Choose the template you like and click on Customize this template. This is how it looks with different sections. You can easily change the text to your liking. You can also change the image or add a new one. To make the image even better, you can add a frame. You can change the logo by clicking on it or by adding your existing logo. Similarly, you can make changes to the rest of the sections of your website. You can add some animations to your text and images to make your website more attractive. Click on Animate and choose the one you like. Click on the preview to see how it looks. Let's say you wish to add a button to navigate your user to a certain section or some external links. This is how you can do that. Click on Elements and add a button. Now press Ctrl+K and it will allow you to add a link or add a section of your site. Now let's add our navigation menu. Click on the preview and check this box. Now the navigation menu is visible. If you want to rename the menu name on any of your site sections, just select that section and click on the Notes button and you can easily rename it. Once everything's done, the final step is to publish the site, so click on Publish Website. Give your site a subdomain name or you can add a custom one. Let's click on Publish Website. That's it. This is how you can easily create a website and publish it online using Canva. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.